And boys call who wanna fuck with us.
No,
Yeah.
what the fuck? You and the remedy. In Roblox. Nah, I'm not taking it back.
Jacob, look, look. Look. His girlfriend text me saying, what? That's literally fucking living. How are you gonna call him cute? Didn't you try to fight with him? You literally put a dick on his face. What do you mean? You edited a dick on his face.
Hey, yo. Wait, yo, Moisty. I'm gonna ping you real quick. Just check it, check it. You should get the notification. Hopefully you do.
Jacob, you're so fucking hot. Like, oh my god. I never seen anyone so hot.